This is another test for Kevin. I need to prove to Kevin that Udemy is the right place to put his content. So please help me show him that this is the right place to post courses.
I'm hacking today.
Okay, let's look at the camera. Who should learn to hack?
Everyone.
Must everyone learn to hack?
Yes.
Where can they get a course to learn to hack?
Click the link below.
They can use the link below to get access to a hacking course.
Yes.
Well done, Poodle. Are you going to change into a real hacker by using this course?
Yes.
What's your new name?
Hacker Meg.
Hacker Meg. Are you a mega hacker?
Yeah.
Huge day today for my American friends, 4th of July. I want to wish you all the very best for the 4th of July. I really hope that the next year is a fantastic year for you, better than, say, some of the bad memories, perhaps, of the past year. But I really want to thank Kevin Wallace and Charles Judd for helping me put this course together. Really want to thank them for taking the risk of putting their content on Udemy. Please help me show them that this was the right decision. Kevin recently launched his CompTIA Network Plus course with me on Udemy. That was a test. This is another test for Kevin. I need to prove to Kevin that Udemy is the right place to put his content. So please help me show him that this is the right place to post courses. It's a risk for Kevin, but I'm hoping that you can help me prove to him that Udemy is the right place to put hacking content, to put CCNA content, to put CCNP content maybe, to put other content. I'm really hoping that I can convince Kevin and Charles to put more and more content on Udemy. I need your help to show them that Udemy is the right place to post content. So you can use the links below to enroll in the new Practical Ethical Hacking course that Kevin and Charles and I have collaborated on. This is a practical ethical hacking course for beginners. I often get asked, David, where do I start? Where do I start learning ethical hacking? And this is a great place to start. I specifically asked Charles and Kevin to create a beginner's hacking course, and Charles, for the most part, has put this course together. Charles has done the bulk of the work in this course. I find that I really struggle to create YouTube videos as well as other content as well as courses. So that's why I'm collaborating with Kevin and Charles to create courses more quickly. I'm hoping to convince them to create more hacking courses. I'm hoping to convince them to create CCNA courses or CCNP courses. It all depends on how successful this content is. So please show your support by using the links below. I've put multiple links below. You can purchase the course for $12.99, or you can purchase it for $9.99. That is limited. Or you can get the course for free if you can't afford to pay for this course. I want to help as many of you change your lives. I know some of you can't afford to pay $10 for a course. You may be a student. You may be struggling financially. So use the link below to get the course for free, but make sure that you help others when you can afford to buy courses or to help others somehow. So in the future, when you're successful, when you can afford to do things, help someone else who could never, ever help you. I really believe that it's more of a blessing to give than it is to receive. It's a huge blessing for me to be able to give content away, to help you change your life. But make sure that you help others change their lives as well. Once you're successful, go and help someone who can never, ever repay you. That is one of the best things to do. So use the course below if you want to learn ethical hacking. Enroll in the course. Spend time studying the content and go and make a success of your life. You need to put the effort in. If you can, once again, afford to support Kevin, Charles, and I, then buy the course. Otherwise, get the course for free. I'm David Bombal, and I want to wish you all the very best. Go out there and make a success of your life.
Use the link below.
They can use the link below to get a hacking course.
Yeah.
Well done, Hacker Meg.